After the recent release of Claude Sonnet 3.5, which introduces AI agents that can use a computer, there are rumors that OpenAI will strike back and may preview a new model by the end of December. The claims, which were first reported by The Verge, claim that the startup's, speaking about OpenAI, next flagship model, codenamed Orion, is slated to arrive around the 2-year anniversary of ChatGPT. The news is that unlike the release of OpenAI's last two models, GPT 4.0 and 0.1, Orion won't initially be released widely through ChatGPT. Instead, OpenAI is planning to grant access first to companies it works closely with for them to build their products and features, according to a source familiar with the plan. So the plan is to release it slowly first to organizations and then later to personal users. A while back, Sam Altman was speaking in an interview, and he said that they are planning to release new models iteratively, introducing a new capability step by step. According to him, this would help reduce the fear that a new set of capabilities in AI models brings to the general public. Based on the rumors going around in the AI circles, OpenAI has crazily good models that would scare people, hence the need to release them iteratively. The Verge claims to have intel on Microsoft, who happen to be OpenAI's main partners, preparing to host Orion on Azure as early as November. It is still not known whether Orion will be named GPT-5 or GPT 4.5, since most of the people at OpenAI see it as the successor to GPT-4. After this story broke out on Twitter, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, was quick to claim that they were fake news, which left many people with a lot of questions. What was the fake news? Is the release date or a new model being released? Remember, Orion is being touted as being 100 times more powerful than GPT-4, and they are making a clear distinction between Orion and the previously rumored Strawberry model. It was previously reported that OpenAI was using 0.1, codenamed Strawberry, to provide synthetic data to train Orion. So there are a lot of stories that circle around OpenAI, especially now that their competitor Anthropic has beaten them and released AI agents first. One certain thing is that OpenAI is working on a model codenamed Orion, but I guess that probably no one knows when it is going to be released. If you saw the list of levels that OpenAI made to keep track of their progress in AI, they claim that the 0.1 models reach level 2, which was all about reasoning. The latest Claude Sonnet 3.5 from Anthropic is also so good at reasoning and competes with OpenAI's 0.1 at that, but has gone one level up by introducing agentic AI. Giving Claude Sonnet 3.5 the ability to use a computer is building the foundations required for a fully functioning AI agent. So OpenAI will be working on making sure that they enter the third level, which is all about agents, as soon as possible. The Verge has also announced that Google plans to announce its next Gemini model soon. That is expected to be Gemini 2.0. The Verge reported that while OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is doing a phased rollout of the successor to GPT-4, starting first with his business partners, sources say that Google is planning to widely release the next version of Gemini at the outset. I've heard that the model isn't showing the performance gains the Demis Hassabis led team had hoped for, though I would still expect some interesting new capabilities. The chatter I'm hearing in AI circles is that this trend is happening across companies developing leading, large models. That last statement, if true, has so much to say about the progress we should expect to see in AI models in the next year or so. Are large language models slowly reaching the peak of scaling? Is it that we need more data, or do we need new paradigm shifts in the way we build AI models? There are many questions that the writer of this article should have clarified, but we shall have to wait and see. But we have to point out that Gemini is kind of losing ground to OpenAI's and Anthropic's models.